112. After group 2 judging, we will start group 9. Group 9 exhibitors, please keep your exhibits ready, waiting list number 1. Last and final call for Rottweiler RBOB winner exhibit number 112. If you don't want to miss the group judging, please come into the ring now. Best of breed and reserve best of breed, winners of group 8. Keep your exhibits ready in the waiting ring of ring number 2, the middle ring for the group judging. And the chosen puppies, keep your exhibits ready. Thank you. Can we have first, second, third group prizes please in ring number 1 immediately. Rottweiler 112, RBOB winner, getting called several times for the group judging.
So do you want me to take a picture with you?
Now?
No, if you want to stand with the dogs.
With my camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cleaning staff,
I think
cleaning staff,
later.
please.
Okay. Or during when I am judging, because you filming, moving.
No, just I can take it with your camera.
Please.
So whenever you want, you can let me know.
No, you take pictures when I'm showing if you can. Please.
All right.
Thank you.
Most welcome, sir.
Cleaning staff, please come inside the ring. Exhibitors are requested to make sure their dogs have a little walk before they walk in, and you have the required necessary papers to clean if your dog makes a mess. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. English Commerce Plan, please stay in the waiting ring of ring number 2. Thank you.
312, copy page 312.
Yes!
English Cocker Spaniel, copy dog exhibit number 311, junior dog 312, copy page 313. Please come inside the ring number 2.
POB and reserve POB winners, please stay in the ring. 310309. Exhibitors of Group 9, please keep your exhibits ready in waiting ring number 1. Exhibitors of Group 9.
So we are having Group 2 judging going on for the 183rd show. Group 3rd goes to the Tibetan Mastiff.
Unbeaten Puppy, Doberman, Boxer, exhibit number 68.
Group 2nd goes
Bulldog,
to
exhibit number 81.
the Boxer.
Bull Mastiff, exhibit number 82. Rottweiler, exhibit number 95. Please keep your exhibits ready waiting ring number 1.
And Group 1 goes to the Doberman.
Puppy judging. POB and reserve POB. Reserve POB. Retriever.
Yes.
248 23 271 378.
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाना प्लीज, सर की फोटो उनके फोन पे भी क्लिक करनी है.
Okay. 304276. Bull Mastiff, exhibit number 81. 82. Bulldog, exhibit number 81. Please come inside the ring. Bulldog, exhibit number 81. Bull Mastiff, exhibit number 82. Please inside the ring.
গতকাল বক্সার সুযোগ বিষয়ে সবকটা মার্চ রেডি হয়ে গেছে। কাইন্ডলি প্রিন্টিং সাইট টেবিল থেকে কালেক্ট করে নিয়ে যান।
The chosen puppies, hurry up please. Bulldog 81, Bull Mastiff 82, Dog de Bordeaux 85, and Rottweiler 95.
All the cards for use in boxer certification is ready. Kindly collect it from the printing table.
Last and final call for 81 and 82.
Group 2 puppies.
Exhibitors of Group 9, please keep your exhibits ready in waiting ring number 1. Plaza Expo Puppy Dog, exhibit number 314, 315. Open Beach, exhibit number 316. Please keep your exhibits ready in waiting link number 1. Exhibitors of Plaza Expo. Please keep your exhibits ready in waiting link number 1. All exhibitors of Doberman, please come to ring number 3 immediately. All exhibitors of Doberman, please come to ring number 3 immediately. Exhibitors of Plaza Expo Puppy Dog, exhibit number 314. Open Beach, exhibit number 316. Champion Class, exhibit number 317, 318, 319, 320. Please keep your exhibits ready in waiting link number 1.
Attention exhibitors. Crystal বলে একটা ফুড কাউন্টার আছে ফর ডগ ফুড। প্রত্যেক এক্সিবিটরের জন্য একটা করে ফুড প্যাকেট দে আর প্রোভাইডিং ফ্রি। কাইন্ডলি আপনাদের এক্সিবিট নম্বরস গুলো নিয়ে যাবেন, তার পেছনে ইনভেস্ট করে একটা করে ফুড প্যাকেট ওই কাউন্টার থেকে কালেক্ট করে দিন।
রিং 3টা খালি করুন প্লিজ। রিং 3টা খালি করুন। ম্যাডাম, প্লিজ লিভ দ্য রিং।
Exhibitors kindly note that Krishna food counter food stall is